Alright guys, let's get it. It's Hendofinance, and I'm going to teach you guys the beginning of the stock stuff. I'm going to do this in one take. I tried to do it the first time, and it was awkward, and it looked weird, so I'm going to just do it in one take, and this is how we're going to get it. Alright, so if you want to get into stocks, this is the first thing that you need to do. First, download Robinhood onto your phone. Download Robinhood. It's an easy app to start investing into the stock market. Basically, you can basically you're just trading stocks. You're just trading stocks on the app. It's very easy to use. I'll be posting several videos on how to use the app, what I use to trade, how I research stocks, and all that stuff, guys. But yeah, that's basically it. I'll leave a link down below so that I get a free stock and you get a free stock. So we'll start off with that. Another platform that you can use to start learning how to do the graphs and all that is Thinkorswim. Download that onto your laptop, and it'll basically allow you to use different indicators and tools to read the charts of the stocks. So that's the first thing. Second thing, what else? That's basically it. That's how you get started. I just want to introduce myself to you guys. I'm a college student. I go to UC San Diego. I'm officially undeclared, but I'm thinking about going to the real estate and development major with the business minor. So that's what we're doing on that. But we're trying to get this bread in the stock market, so let's see how that goes. I'm gonna keep you guys here on my journey. We're gonna learn together. I'm gonna get this bread. So let's get it. Let's go.